Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to use Grammarly to improve your English writing. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have downloaded the app, that is Grammarly, and make sure you are logged into it. And you can simply click on Add New, or you can go for any of these drafts as well. Let's go for this one, and here's a paragraph. And if you want some correction or improve your English, please tap on this, and over here we can see this G icon. So let's tap on this one, and over here in the right we can see improve it option. Now you can suggest how you would like to improve it. I'm going for improve it only. So here it is. If you are okay with it, simply click on insert, and if you are not, you can further make the changes as well. Let's go for insert, and it's done. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.